Residents in Magog, Quebec can now get money back for technology repairs for things like phones, appliances, and even solar panels. It's part of a bigger right to repair movement that's happening across Canada. So here's how it works. The city will reimburse 50% of the repair cost up to $150 per year, encouraging residents to fix and not replace. In 2024, the federal government launched consultations on repairing electronics and household appliances. Ontario even attempted the right to repair legislation back in 2019. And over in Saskatchewan, they're exploring the right to repair as part of a farmer's autonomy. Want to know what's holding this back? Click the link in our bio.